So in this move, basically what you're doing is that you are rolling your fingers. You you pull the pinky finger out, you pull the finger next to the pinky finger out, you put the index finger out, you put the sorry, the middle finger out, you put the index finger out, you put the thumb out. You put them out in a sequence and they follow each other like this. So what you're doing basically is that you are bringing one finger out, the other finger out, the third finger out, the fourth finger out, while they move down. So this is what it is. So this is the second move in the hand liquid, which I call as liquid finger trailing. Yeah.